Welcome to our interior design guide. Today, we'll show you how to transform your bathroom into a simple and elegant traditional space using classic components. Let's get started. First, let's select a timeless color palette. Traditional bathrooms often feature soft, neutral colors like cream, beige, or light gray. These colors create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Now, let's start with the foundation. Choose classic flooring like hexagonal tiles or hardwood. These options add character and sophistication to your bathroom. To add architectural charm, consider wainscoting along the lower walls and crown molding at the ceiling. These elements provide a traditional look and feel. Incorporate a freestanding or clawfoot bathtub for a touch of luxury. Pair it with a framed or frameless glass shower enclosure for a blend of classic and modern. For the vanity area, choose a wooden or antique-style vanity with a marble or granite countertop. Alternatively, opt for a pedestal sink to save space while maintaining elegance. Storage is essential. Install wooden cabinetry with raised panels and antique hardware. Consider a medicine cabinet and additional storage cabinets or linen closets. Select vintage-style faucets with cross or lever handles. Matching hardware on cabinets and drawers ties the design together. Illuminate your space with traditional sconces or vanity lights. These fixtures provide both functionality and a classic touch. Hang an ornate or framed mirror above the vanity or sink. Add curtains or blinds with traditional patterns or fabrics for privacy and style. Install wooden or glass shelving for storage and display. Classic towel bars or hooks keep your towels within reach. Complete the look with wooden baseboards along the bottom of the walls. They provide a finishing touch to your traditional bathroom design. And there you have it, a simple yet elegant traditional bathroom design using these classic components. Whether you're renovating or starting from scratch, these elements will help you achieve a timeless and inviting space. Thanks for joining us today. Remember to subscribe for more design inspiration, and we'll see you next time.